learners, today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is our food. So as you all know, food is our basic need and we all need food. And what food gives you? Food gives us energy and keeps us healthy. So in this chapter, we'll study about the types of food, grains, pulses, fruits, vegetable, and then spices, sweet dishes, ghee, oil, and transportation. So people eat different kinds of food in different parts of Bharat because the type of land and climate of our country differ. वो differ करता है from place to place and the food items and the habits of the people of a particular region वो किस पे based होती है? जिस तरीके का crop आप grow कर रहे हैं. Now our first topic, that is food grain, which is an important source of food. और जो main food grain है, these are rice and wheat. What are the main food grain? That are rice and wheat. So in the state of North Bharat, people grow wheat in plenty. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा wheat उगाते हैं and rice in the southern state. So we have some popular food grains in the desert region of Rajasthan like maize, millet and bajra. People in coastal areas eat rice with fish. Cereals and lentils like ragi pulses are popular in all parts of Bharat. If we talk about fruits and vegetables, so we do not get the same fruit through the year. Throughout the year, our fruit habit change according to the season. क्या होता है? According to season, जो हमारी food habit है, वो change होती रहती है. So along with food grains, fruits and vegetables are also part of Indian meal. Different fruits grow best in different states of the country like Kashmir and is famous for apple, cherries and strawberries. So Himachal Pradesh is known for its apples, the cherry mangoes planted in Uttar Pradesh. Pineapples are grown in Assam. Coconut कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं आपको? Coastal areas में. Then we have potatoes and bananas which is available throughout the year. Like we have carrots, peas and grapes. These are grown in winter. Mangoes are available only in summers. Fruits and vegetables जो आपके available होते हैं particular season में उनको हम seasonal fruits and vegetables कहते हैं. Pulses, the main pulses grown in our country are moong, masoon, chana, arhad, urad, rajma. People eat these pulses in almost all part of Bharat with rice or chapati. Next is spices. ये add करते हैं taste और color to our food. Indian food is famous for its spices and we have many types of spice. आपको देखा होगा कि जैसे chilies हो गए, cloves हो गए, cardamom हो गए, turmeric हो गए, pepper हो गए. What are these? These are the different types of spices. A variety of sweet dish are also made in every part. जैसे आपका रसगुल्ला हो गया, लड्डू हो गए, बर्फी हो गए, गुलाब जामुन. These are popular Indian sweets. It is always fun to taste this. Right? So there are some sweet dishes which are prepared on festivals and weddings. Then we have ghee and oil. अब हम घी और ऑयल की बात करते हैं. ये क्या है? ये common है for cooking in northern states. People like to cook in coconut oil in southern states and तिल oil. जो तिल का oil होता है ना, उसका यूज करा जाता है गुजरात में. जो गुजरात में लोग रहते हैं वो ज्यादातर किसका यूज करते हैं? तिल का ऑयल यूज करते हैं फॉर कुकिंग. फूड हैबिट्स, देखो फूड हैबिट्स जो होती है वो सेम नहीं होती सबकी. Some people are vegetarian and some are non-vegetarian. People who eat only food grains, जो खाली food grains खा रहे हैं, fruits खा रहे हैं, vegetables खा रहे हैं, उनको हम vegetarian कहते हैं. जो meat खाते हैं, chicken खाते हैं, fish खाते हैं, these are non-vegetarian. Then we have transportation of food items. भाई हमने क्या करा, ऐसा नहीं होता कि हर एक फूड आइटम हर जगह अवेलेबल हो, तो हम क्या करते हैं उसको एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. So food articles are transported from one place to another for all the places and do not have availability of food items. So the food items are taken from one place to another by good trains, ship, trucks, aeroplanes, boats, so that every state can enjoy a taste of all food items. कि हर एक स्टेट क्या कर सकती है, अपने फूड आइटम्स को enjoy कर सकती है. Right? Like we have cucumber, ladyfinger, mango, plums and melons. Then vegetables and fruits जो आपके summer में होते हैं. Then the vegetables and fruits that we get in winter, ठंड में, carrot, cauliflower, white spinach, जिसे हम पालक कहते हैं, oranges and apples. We have pumpkin, papaya, onion, banana and bitter gourd. ये वो food products हैं जो आपको हर time available होते हैं. Right? So now our chapter has been completed. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.